everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on the Civic. Before we get started, I just want to say one thing, and that is thank you so much for 4,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it. You're all awesome. Lots of support from you guys, and I can't thank you guys enough, so thank you. At full lock, you can see it's rubbing here. We're gonna eliminate that a little bit. It's not gonna be amazing, but it'll be better. I'm just gonna beat it with a sledgehammer, and that's about as good as she'll get. Right, so I think that's the most we're gonna get out of it, honestly, with this half-size sledgy. All right, the wheel's back on. I don't have the battery charged, but we're gonna move to the bumper here, and we're gonna throw it on first, and then I'm gonna chop it in line with this guy, and then we're gonna chop it in line with this guy. Oh my God, guys. I think I actually made a sick high clearance rear Civic bumper. That looks perfect. So I'm gonna paint that up, that metal bar there. But oh my gosh, that's perfect. That's so freaking cool. Now we got a bumper, technically. Before we actually go on the other side, I want to do these fender flares. The thicker ones are for the rear, I'd imagine. I want it to be kind of like that, and I want it to sit as high as possible. So probably around there for the most coverage. Yeah, I think I just send her with 4 self-tappers and see the way she goes, you know? Holy, why did that turn out perfect? I wasn't even really wanting it to be that nice. Holy, that's mint. We got 6 in there. It all lines up. They're strong. Holy, like that's just self-tappers. I put the 2 in and then kind of just formed it around. But oh my gosh, that actually looks pretty freaking sick. We're gonna move up to the front here and try the skinnier one and see how that works. Looks clean. I couldn't get it quite as formed as the rear. For some reason the rear was perfect. All right guys, we're gonna see if we can start it up with a jump. Oh my gosh, she's a solid rig. She starts up right away, no issues. I'm gonna bring the battery home and charge her up, but I'm just gonna get it out so we can do the other side. Okay, but that rear chop though, ew, that actually looks sick. Put a shackle on her and call her mint. Man, she is clean though. All right, it's time for me to do the other side now that it's out. Holy, I'm fast, eh? Boom, done. Done. Took the window sprayer, which might be a mistake, but I don't have much of a choice right now. So I just unbolted it because it was rubbing pretty bad. The last thing I need is a hole in that. So I'm gonna jump it, guys, and then we'll take one final look at all the stuff we've done. Guys, we got lots of stuff done today. We got the flares on, we got the bumper cut, we got the wiper fluid tank gone, we got fronts hammered in so we can turn, and it is looking like an absolute unit. And I think what's next, guys, is to get this thing off road. And one more thing that I do want to do is a skid plate. for sure up front. It's very exposed, and then also a snorkel, but that can wait. I went to Stave last week with my truck, hence why it's so muddy. It's like the perfect time to go wheeling. It's so much fun there. Good place to test it. I don't think it'll do amazing, but I have high hopes. I don't want to blow it up first time, so take it nice and easy to start, see how it does, and then perform modifications from there. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said earlier, thank you all so much for 4K. If you did enjoy it and you like this kind of stuff, hit that sub button, and we will see you in the next video. Peace.